understand about isomerisms. Alright, so in our topic we have isomerism. Alright, and shortly I will tell you that isomerism, from this word itself we can understand iso means basically same. That means here we can write it, organic compound would have same molecular formula. Okay, molecular formula, but what will be the different structure, guys. Okay, if molecular formula is same and structure is different, that means we call it isomerism. So basically today I will be talking about one type of isomerism, that is called chain isomerism. Okay, chain isomer. So I will talk about chain isomers. So basically this chain isomers, what? The molecular formula will be same, but the carbon chain will be different. So let's take one example here. If you write the molecular formula of pentane, so this basically C5H12. Yes or no? And if at all you like to represent in the form of chain, so it's basically how many carbons? 5 carbons. So you can write 5 carbons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with hydrogens. Yes or no? You have a hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there? 12. So 12 hydrogen you have to write it. Alright. This is. So this, what is the name of this compound? This compound is known as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means it's a pentane. Or we simply say N-pentane. We call N-pentane. Whenever the carbon in the straight chain or linear way, we simply say pentane. Normal pentane also known as N-pentane. Okay? Now what I do, sorry, here I forgot to write. Now what I do, this CH3 group, if you bring to the second carbon, alright, so how the structure looks like. So I'm just simply writing the condensed one, okay, so that it will be faster. CH3, CH. So now if I bring this CH3 group to the second carbon, alright, so here I bring the CH3 group and I'm writing same as it is. Okay, this one I have written here, this part CH and this one came up. Then I have written this part. Here we can mention as a hydrogen. What I did, just the group I bring to the second carbon. Now look at, there are same, how many? Carbon 5 and hydrogen 12 only. Same formula, but the structure name, you can, if you name the structure, so this is the parental chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here in the second position there is methyl group. So we can name it 2-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, butane. Alright, 2-methyl butane. So this name also we can say, this compound also we can say whenever one methyl group is connected to the second carbon. This is the second carbon, this is the first carbon, right? In the naming you learned this. If this methyl group is connected to the second carbon, even we name as a what? We call it isopentane. We call it isopentane, or you simply name it 2-methyl butane. Alright, now this CH3 group again you attach to this second carbon. That means it will looks like this. CH3 attached to here CH3 group, and here one CH3 group, and this is one CH3. See, look at the structure. Formula here. How many carbons are there? Same 5 carbon. How many hydrogens? Same 12 hydrogens. However, this name of the organic compound will be different. What is the name? Here in the, if you consider it's a parental chain, so there are 3 carbons. So it is the second carbon. Yes or no? It's the first carbon, it is the third carbon. Now in second carbon 2 methyl groups are there. So we can name 2,2-dimethyl. What is it? Propane. or in other names we call it neopentane. Neopentane. The other name is called neopentane, or is IUPAC name 2,2-dimethyl pentane. So now look at guys, here carbon chain is 5, here carbon chain is actually straight chain is 4, here carbon chain is 3, here 3 carbon chain, here 4 carbon chain, here 5 carbon chain. So chain isomer where molecular formula will be same, but the carbon chain will be different. Alright, so the carbon chain is here 5, here is 4, and here is 3. Alright, so the molecular formula same, however the carbon chain is different, therefore it is called chain isomers. So I hope it is clear for you. Alright?